Hey guys, Jason from Enswell Speed and Fab here with our 1962 Ford Galaxie. Alright guys, for all the things that Ford got wrong, they got the Galaxie right. This 1962 Ford is amazing. Now, I am a Ford guy, and if you've seen our videos lately, it seems like we've done a lot of Fords. That Terreno went fast and it was a fun car, but this Galaxie looks awesome. As you take a look around, the styling on it is amazing. Those big chrome grille and bumper sections, they've actually just been recently redone as well. Just an amazing car, you guys. As we look around here, tires are brand new. Everything's been painted. The trim's hung nicely. As we go through the whole body, no rust to speak of, nothing coming through at all. We did kind of notice, and it's really hard to see in the light. You probably won't be able to pick it up in the lens there, but it does have a couple little dings in the trunk. Maybe a couple hail stones may have hit it over the years, but super minor. The bumper, this is really cool here. It was re-chromed recently at Salt Lake Chrome, and he actually took a little cut out of each side when he made the thing dual exhaust to make it look right. Dual exhaust was added along with some Flowmaster mufflers. We might be able to get some audio hopefully for that because it sounds awesome. As we go around the car here, the trim looks really good. It's hung nicely. It really complements that body line. I think, again, the designers back in the 60s were really doing things well, and this really shows it. I just took this thing on a cruise down I-15, literally 70 miles an hour, keeping up with traffic. The thing drives great, fires right up. I love it. Interior-wise, it's all original. Let's have a look inside here. Back seat, of course, is flawless. Headliner looks great, and we'll show you here on the driver's side a little bit of wear from that driver's spot, but overall, hop in and go. The carpet was replaced at one time, and it looks like there's some Dynamat or some foil type material for some sound deadening and insulation. Realistically, hop in and go. Give us a call today. Let's make this one yours. We sell and ship everywhere in the country and world, so if you're worried about it, it's your first time making a transaction like this, we're here to help you. Let's make this one yours.